Are you looking for a criminal lawyer near me? And what I mean by that is a criminal lawyer near you. Well, you probably are if you found this video. And my name is Lance Fryrear. I'm the defender of justice. Defender of justice. Defender of justice. Defender of justice. I don't normally look like this. I look like this. That's because I'm a criminal lawyer. And I'm making this video to go over the 3 things that you need to pay attention to in looking for a criminal lawyer. The first thing is, what are their qualifications? The second thing is what questions you should ask them. The third thing is what questions they should ask you. So what are the qualifications that you should look for in a criminal lawyer? Well, number 1, they need to be a lawyer. And number 2, what I suggest is you look at their reviews online. The best way that we can rate a professional nowadays is by looking at their reviews. So you can go to Google and check out their reviews. You can go to avvo.com, Yelp, Facebook. There's plenty of places, but pay attention to the reviews. How many reviews do they have? How many reviews are 5 stars? And how many reviews really talk about how the client felt? Are they detailed, or are they just not much of a comment? And so the more thorough the review is and the higher number of the reviews are, probably the more well qualified the attorney is you're looking to interview. Number 2, what questions should you ask the attorney? Well, I would be asking the attorney, how many times have you handled this type of case? What do you know about the court my case is in? In a criminal charge, who are the prosecutors? What are their names? And what do you know about them? If your attorney knows the prosecutors by name and knows some things about how they handle things, that's a really good sign they're in a good position to help you. Similarly, what do you know about the judge? What do you know about what normally happens in that court? And when should I expect to go to court? If the attorney has good, solid answers to those questions, that's a pretty good sign that they know what they're doing. So we've covered how to tell if your attorney is qualified, what questions to ask the attorney, and surprisingly, the third thing, which is also important, and maybe the most important, is what the attorney asks you. So for my firm, again, we're a criminal defense firm in Linwood. We've been defending people charged with crimes for more than 20 years. What we've noticed is that our clients are so hard on themselves. They feel terrible because they're charged with a crime. They feel like their life is over. They feel like it's never going to end. They feel like they're a bad person maybe because they got charged with a crime. And while those are common feelings, none of those things are true. And you really need an attorney who shows that they care about you and shows they have some emotional intelligence. Are they asking you about what your support system looks like? Do you live alone or with other people? The people that you live with, what do they sound like? Are they being really hard on you about this case, or are they being supportive? Do you have any pets? I mean, if you lock some person and your dog in the trunk for 6 hours, when you open the trunk, which one's happy to see you? Your dog, of course. And so, if you have a pet, that's the support system. I mean, those are things that we ask, and it may not seem like it's related to the case, but guess what? Most attorneys that are highly rated can do a good job, but not most attorneys can pay attention to how you feel and make it so you can sleep again at night. So we advise that you pay attention to what questions the attorney asks you. If it's just about the case and nothing about yourself, that person's probably not going to be doing a really good job at supporting you emotionally. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do want to talk to my firm, we're located in Linwood, Washington, though we defend all throughout the state. We have multiple attorneys. We've been doing this for more than 20 years. If you happen to give us a call, we will set you up with a consultation. We'll listen to how you feel. We'll hear your side of the story, and we'll do everything we can to end the nightmare as soon as possible. Give us a call. We'll do everything we can, and we'll be there for you. Thank you.